Welcome to Rustbuster Frameworks Installation Guide for Toyota's 95 to 04 Tacoma. Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of their manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Lift or jack your vehicle and support it with jack stands. Remove any factory or aftermarket accessories and drop your gas tank for purposes of safety and to gain clear access to your vehicle's frame. Step 3. Remove your vehicle's hitch and bed. We show how to do this in another video, linked below. Step 4. With a 17mm socket, remove the bolt from your shock and pull the shock off the stud. Step 5. Bring the part up to the frame and take note of its coverage. And begin cutting away the mount while avoiding damage to the frame. Step 6. Clean the area free of rust and debris, revealing bare metal. Note: if you own our over axle section 2, you will need to install it first before continuing. Step 7. Insert the mount into place, using the frame's angle for alignment, as well as the two flanges bisecting the shown holes, followed by C-clamping it to the frame. Begin welding it around all edges. Step 8. With a 19mm socket and a set of pliers, secure the included shock bolt to the mount. And begin reconnecting your shock. Some bushings may be too small for the sleeve we included. You may install the bushing without it if you wish. Reassemble the rest of your vehicle, and you're done.